Alright, you guys. Oh, the box is upside down.
It's because I just opened it.
So you guys know that the dogs shed like crazy, and one of the things that we love to have in our house is air purifiers. We do like air purifiers.
A lot of the vacuuming, I mean, just kicks up dust. I mean, we have the HEPA filters on the vacuum, so it doesn't kick up as much dust that way, but it still kicks up dust. Let me tell you, it does.
So I can never say the name of this company. LEVOIT? LEVOIT?
Probably.
LEVOIT? This is one of their newest models. You can connect it to your phone. Okay, see, I didn't know that. This is one of their newest models. Kira's like, oh man, is this for me? I mean, technically, it's kind of for you. It is kind of for you. So we're gonna unbox this sucker. We're gonna check it out, hook it up. Oh man. Whoa, look at that. That's fancy.
Only in a bag.
Yeah. Ooh, so that's all the box. This is the LEVOIT Core 400S. This is pretty cool. I'm pretty excited. Oh, I'm pretty excited. Are you excited? She's like, I don't know. I just would like. Here, you want the box? There you go. There you go. Go ahead. Have a party with the box. He's like, thanks for sending me this box. My review of this box is it's very edible. I'm gonna rip it to pieces and it'll be the most fun ever. You really are ripping that box to pieces. All right, turn it on. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it has so many features.
It's kind of quiet.
It is quiet.
Well, this is the low setting.
Okay, so you can go ahead and make it go a little faster. Memphis is like, I'm coming to check it out. Kira does not seem to be bothered by it. She's having too much fun chewing on the box. You come and check it out? It's like, what's this?
It smells funny.
It's kind of neat. I'm not scared of it. That's a good thing that you're not scared of it. Whoa. Is that fun? She's got her nose right now. So it has quite a few settings. It has an auto setting. It has some timers on it. Oh, this is the one that makes it move, I think.
Probably oscillate.
I can't push it, apparently.
It could be a filter.
Oh, yeah.
It probably doesn't need to oscillate. Why would it need to oscillate?
I don't know. I guess it doesn't need to, huh?
No, because it just filters there, I guess.
So that's like, so you can turn the screen off. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, okay, and then this would just be, this is the auto mode.
Okay, so it'll adjust the fan automatically,
right,
depending on what the...
Which is auto mode is probably what you're going to want to set on most, because right now it went into like lower than low, because it's good air quality.
Right.
But if the dog keeps kicking around over here...
Yeah, kicking up dust. Kicking up dust.
The number will keep going up, and then the fan will turn up higher. And then it should go down.
I like how quiet it is, even when it's actually like, when it's spinning a lot. I like how quiet it is. Well, eventually I'll have to set up the app for my phone too. What do you think of that? Is that cool stuff? Say, guys, this is pretty neat. But I want to show people that filter. Show them how big it is. That's so cool.